Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials first. Update mobile legends and grant microphone permissions. Open the app, go to Settings, and confirm the Voice SDK update prompt appears. Once done, force close the app and clear cache if the prompt persists. This resets temporary flags. Make sure your OS mic access is enabled. Android. App permissions, iOS, privacy settings. You're starting here because the SDK update hooks into permissions and cache. Without these, later steps won't complete cleanly. Now you execute the SDK install or reapply it manually. If the in-game prompt runs, follow each installer screen. Accept permissions and wait for completion. If the prompt fails, download the latest official package or reinstall Mobile Legends to force the integrated SDK update. This replaces corrupted files. Once done, open the game and run in-game diagnostics or developer tools to verify the SDK version. Doing this ensures the voice stack and codecs are properly registered with the app. Finish by validating voice chat in a quick custom match. You should test both transmit and receive, speak and ask a friend to confirm clarity. If audio fails, toggle in-game voice mute and channel settings, then rejoin, make sure push to talk isn't enabled. If problems persist, reboot the device and retest. Reboots flush lingering audio service locks. As a last resort, gather screenshots and logs, note steps taken, and contact support so they can diagnose SDK threading or codec issues faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.